So guys, I want to show you guys how to make these ventilating needles. You can see how it's looking very clean, and then you can see the upper part as well. You don't use glue, you don't use anything. All you need to make this is your normal office pin, of course your file, then maybe a razor. But I'm not going to start from the beginning. So if you want to check, if you want to see how I bend these needles to this shape, just check my video. I'm going to be dropping it in the description box below. So I'm just going to dive into this particular stick. This is the pack wooden dowel rods. I think you can get this from, you know, these people that sell baking items, baking products. They sell this a lot. So you can get the very long ones, or you can even get the short ones. If you stay in Port Harcourt, you can get it in Hyper City. You can get it right there in the section where they sell children reading materials, study materials. So you get this stuff, and then you're going to use this sharpener to get this smooth edge right here. You can see it because it doesn't come like this. I've already done almost everything, so I'm just going to be telling you what I did. So you're just going to use this, you know, this sharpener, put it in there and sharpen it. Okay, then to connect this, I'm going to take you guys to my kitchen. You have to boil the rods. You'll bring it to a boiling level, and this will help, you know, make the molecules of this wood to move around, making it easier for the pin to go through. Okay, so after you must have bent your pins like this, like what we have right here, you must have bent them like this. Next is to boil the rods. Okay, now let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you what's going on there. Here it is. I'm boiling all these rods. This is what I use. This is not really what I use for my workers, but we have other people working for me out there and I need to give them this. So you boil. Okay, you have to be very fast with this because this thing, once it cools down, is difficult. It becomes difficult to push the needle through. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to take this. This is it. Now this one has been boiling for a while. Okay, let me get on that one because this is not at this moment. So you can use a piece of rag or something to just hold it. So you have to do this when it is still very hot. So I'm going to use this stuff right here, the plier. Hold it really well, hold it strong. Then you're gonna push from distance, so you're gonna, this is not easy. You're gonna hold and then you push it into, forcefully. You have to force this in. You have to force it, but because it's hot, it will just go in. So you turn the other side quickly because, like I said, this stuff is already getting cold. So the colder it is, the stronger it becomes. So hold some distance. If it doesn't go through, then I have to put it back and allow it. So this is quite easy actually. It's still warm, which means inside of it is really warm. So yeah, so that's how you come about this. So this is actually two-sided ventilating needle. So in case one goes back, you can use the other one. So I hope this tip was helpful. Have a nice time. Bye.